All right, y'all, so this is our room at the Linq Hotel. We're staying 066, and we go do a brief room tour. So you come through the door, you bust a right, you got the bathrooms. Sorry, we checking out, so kind of running through it real quick. So you got your sink and, you know, hair dryer, wife's phone still right there, toilet and all that. That's what the shower look like. The water pressure is okay. It's not the best. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and, you know, body wash, standard lotion, hand soap. Okay, the stroller. You got a full length mirror. What's going on? Katie's waking up, so you're a little fussy. You got your chair, a little center table. You got a safe, little refrigerator, small closet space, a couple drawers, things for ice. I don't know what really to call it. It's just storage space to kind of lay things around or sit stuff on. You got, you know, a bunch of charging ports right here. Wireless charging, C, USB, a couple plugs. Even on the lights as well. The remote is over there. I'm not sure what size TV this is. I'm thinking maybe about 32 to 40. It don't look like a 50. I could be wrong. Double bed, so we got 2 beds, of course you see that. Like the design on the back behind the bed. It's pretty cool. Another giant mirror. And outside don't have the best view. So if you come in here, you don't get the best view. But all right, that's about it in room tour. And yeah. All right, y'all, so here's a brief room tour of Mom's room as well. She's right across the hall from ours. We're 7066, she's 7067. The door numbers look like. Ours over there, of course. I seen that. Just go in, pretty much same room, just kind of flip-flop different way. Bathroom, ain't gonna show y'all too much, cause y'all already seen it. That's Mom. So he's pretty much, and we at the Linq Hotel, like I said, and her views are just about bad as ours. If you're at the Linq, it's not really the best views. I mean, you get what you get, or you get what you pay for, I should say, but that's about it. I like the, let's say Las Vegas or Vegas on the back. I like how it says that behind the beds, but that's it. It's the same room. Say, hey, Mom.
Hey.
So, it's, you know, room side by side, same thing. And that's it. Brief room tour. Catch y'all later.